or just let them wear themselves out.
Oh, Moon Queen will be so pleased.
You call Luna Girl Moon Queen? You really do have fur between your ears.
Nobody makes fun of the Moon Queen. She gave us this cool magnet.
And we're here to take it back. Super Cat Speed! Wolfie Power! Whoa! Somebody stop this thing!
Happy to help. Don't just rush in. You've got a plan.
And you have one?
Of course I do. The Wolfies aren't too bright. They're bound to try the same trick again, which is why I'm using myself as bait.
That was awesome! We should all go together!
Wolfie Moon Power!
Wolfie Moon Power!
PJ Robot, send the Owl Glider over.
What are they doing?
Magnet Leap Wolf!
Didn't see that coming.
Luckily I did. Get in.
Tap your screen for more videos and tune into Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.